I will talk about how can you find your saved collections on your Clapper app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click in this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on this sign here. When you click on it, you will find here collections. Just click on it. When you click on collections, it's going to show for you here in this list. Like you see here, I have no collections yet, but if you have it, can you find it? So then here can you create new collections here. Add here enter collections name, then here add next, then it's going to create with you. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.